Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 6 divided by 6 minus 6. So how can we find the value of this expression? 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0, times 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. So 0 times 0 again equal to 0. But this answer is wrong. If you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more video. So we should all know according to PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Here, multiplication and division have equal priority, addition and subtraction have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Okay, so here first of all we can solve multiplication. So 6 times 6 equal to 36. So I can write here 6 minus 36 minus 6. Okay student, so 6 minus 36 we can solve from left to right. So 6 minus 36 is equal to minus 30 minus 6, which is equal to minus 36. This is our final answer of this expression. If student anywhere you can face an issue, then kindly comment. I will reply your answer, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thanks a lot.